Someone asked me quite a while ago, I think when I reviewed the Trader Joe's veggie burgers, to review the Dr. Praegers. So I happen to have two boxes. I only have one left in the crunchy southwestern sweet potato veggie burgers box, but I also just got a California veggie burgers. So I'm going to review these, and it'll be a short video just to tell you what I've liked these so far. You know, let you know what I think of them. I'm going to make a Dr. Praeger's California veggie burger today in the microwave, because when I did the Trader Joe's veggie burgers, I cooked them 3 or 4 different ways. I liked it in the microwave best. So I'm going to try this one in the microwave. All you do is take it out of this little plastic wrapper, put it on a microwave plate, and microwave it for 1 minute on each side. Very easy, and it was really good. So that's what I'm going to do. And I will cover it. Not that that's going to splatter, but I still like to cover things. Okay, that was side one. I'm just going to flip it over. I'm going to flip it over and microwave it on side 2. The B side. And I just wanted to mention these Dr. Praeger Tasty Meats Veggie California veggie burgers have 10 different veggies. Let's see what they are. Carrots, onions, oat bran, green beans, zucchini, soy protein concentrate, canola oil, sunflower oil, one or the other, peas, soybeans, broccoli, corn, spinach, water, red bell peppers, arrowroot powder, and some cornmeal and black pepper. So I think they're fairly healthy. You know, there's probably something in there that isn't perfect for us, but what is? I don't know. So these are almost done, and these have 6 grams of protein. So putting these back in the freezer. Okay, here it is. It smells good. And I am going to put just a little bit of mustard on it. Move it back here so you can see it. It's right there. So here it is. I'm just going to take a little bite, let you know what I think. They're good. I liked the Trader Joe's ones made in the microwave better than this, but this is good. So I would, you know, buy them again. I have 3 more in the freezer, and I will eat those too. Okay, today I'm going to try the crunchy southwestern sweet potato Dr. Praeger's veggie burger. I've eaten all but one of these, and I've liked them, but I'm going to try it the same way as I did the other one, the California veggie burger. I'm going to put it in the microwave, and so it's a, you know, a good comparison, cooking them the same way. So here it is. I'm going to put it on my microwavable plate and put it in the microwave. And I like to cover everything just because it's easier to clean that than to clean the inside of my microwave. 1 minute Let me just make sure that's how these instructions are. This one does not give microwave instructions, so maybe it's not meant to be, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to do it the same as the other one, 1 minute per side. And we shall see how that comes out. I probably haven't made this kind in the microwave since the instructions didn't say to. It says air fryer, skillet, or an oven or toaster oven. But I don't think it's any big deal to do it in the microwave. Okay, it is done on one side. There it is. And I'm going to flip it over. I think I'll leave the cover off because there's a lot of moisture here on the plate. That's probably, the lid thing was probably causing that. So I'll do this for another minute on the other side and see how it comes out. Okay, here it is. I'm going to check and make sure it looks like it's cooked. I'm going to do it just a little bit more. I flipped it over again. I'm going to do it maybe 30 more seconds. Okay, it's sizzling. So I cooked this one for 2.5 minutes in the microwave. And again, the box didn't say to do this one in the microwave, so maybe I shouldn't have, but I don't think it's gonna hurt me. So I'm going to put some mustard on it because I love mustard. And this smells a lot better than the other one. It's got more of a fried smell, and it is a crunchy, so maybe it has more oil or something in it. Let's see what the ingredients are real quick. Sweet potato, rice flour, brown rice, cooked black beans, and it has a lot of things in there that were in with the black beans. It's hard for me to read. This font is so small. Salt, beetroot powder, whole grains, oats, onions, spinach, turnips, collard greens, oat bran, amaranth, flour, garlic, cornstarch, salt, chili pepper powder, spices, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, chipotle chili pepper powder, cayenne pepper powder, dextrose, and yeast extract. So mostly veggies, which is, you know, they are veggie burgers. So, all right, here goes the mustard. Here it is, and I'm going to take a little bite. Cool it off a minute. It's good. The texture, probably because I fixed it in the microwave, it's a little chewy, kind of tough. It probably should have been done in a skillet or the air fryer, but it's still good. I will eat it. So I would say the crunchy southwestern sweet potato ones, maybe fix them according to the directions, which I didn't do, but it's still good. So I would say for both of these, they're very tasty, and I would buy them again. So let me know if you've ever had Dr. Praeger's veggie burgers and if you like them. What's your favorite flavor? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.